The LS38 mini drone is a powerful and portable quadcopter that offers a compelling mix of high-end features typically found in larger, more expensive models. With its impressive camera, long-lasting battery, and smart flight capabilities, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced pilots looking for a capable and durable mini drone. Unmatched imaging and connectivity. Equipped with a 6K HD dual camera system, the LS38 mini drone allows you to capture stunning aerial shots with incredible detail. The front camera records in crystal clear 6K, while the bottom 1080p camera, with optical flow, provides a different perspective. This versatility, combined with the electrically adjustable angle of the front camera, allows for a wide range of creative shots. The drone's 5G Wi-Fi FPV ensures a smooth, real-time video feed, so you can see what the drone sees with minimal lag, while the EIS electronic image stabilization reduces shake for more professional-looking footage. Intelligent and safe flight. The LS38 is built with intelligent flight systems to ensure a safe and effortless experience. Its GPS return function provides peace of mind, with the ability to automatically return to its takeoff point in case of signal loss or low battery. The 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system is a standout safety feature, allowing the drone to intelligently navigate around obstacles, preventing crashes and making it easier for new pilots to fly with confidence. The brushless motor offers superior durability and power compared to traditional brushed motors, ensuring reliable performance and a longer product lifespan. Extended flight time and control. With a high-capacity 7.4V 2000 mAh battery, the LS38 mini drone offers an impressive flight time of up to 28 minutes on a single charge. This extended endurance allows you to capture more footage and explore further without frequent battery swaps. The remote control boasts a range of 1,000 meters, giving you the freedom to fly over long distances, while the app controller offers features like custom flight routes and intelligent tracking. The drone's headless mode simplifies flight control, making it easier for new pilots to get airborne quickly. In summary, the LS38 mini drone is a feature-packed drone that delivers on performance, safety, and convenience. Its advanced imaging, intelligent flight capabilities, and long endurance make it a top contender in the mini drone category, offering a professional-level experience in a portable and user-friendly design. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.